In this video, I will show you how you can still run your old 32-bit Mac applications, even after you have upgraded to macOS Catalina. You do this with Parallels Desktop for Mac. There are two steps. First, you need to create a Parallels Desktop virtual machine and install an older Mac OS in it. Then you need to install your 32-bit Mac applications in this virtual machine. It takes about 45 minutes to perform both these steps. However, this video is only 5 minutes long. Let's start. For this video, I have chosen Mac OS High Sierra as the older Mac OS, and Office for Mac 2011 as the 32-bit application. Here I am using the Install Mac OS High Sierra application to create a new virtual machine in Parallels Desktop. You can download this Install High Sierra application from Apple and there is no cost. If you save this virtual machine in the Shared Parallels folder, it will be easier to move this virtual machine to another Mac. This is where I save all my virtual machines. If you slightly increase the amount of RAM in the virtual machine, the installation will go faster. I don't need to share applications or data between Catalina and High Sierra, so I am turning off sharing. There isn't much to watch during an OS installation, so I am going to speed up the video and cut out the most boring portions. Now you will go through the same experience as setting up a new Mac, something I suspect you have done several times. We are almost done setting up Mac OS High Sierra in a virtual machine. But we still need to install the Parallels tools, which will give us the ability to drag and drop files between Catalina and High Sierra, to change the screen size of the virtual machine, and several other features. Make sure you don't forget this important step. We now have a Parallels Desktop virtual machine running Mac OS High Sierra. 32-bit Mac applications can run in this virtual machine, all we have to do is install them. I will drag the Office for Mac 2011 installer into the High Sierra virtual machine and run it. I can now run Word for Mac 2011 on my Mac running macOS Catalina, thanks to Parallels Desktop.